Yo, hello everyone, this is your boy Isaac. Welcome back once again. Alright, so today I'm just right here with Shannon. Shannon is my neighbor and she's a Canadian. But let's see what Shannon has for us. She is going to cook a Canadian food. Are you ready? Let's get back. Hello Shannon.
Hey Isaac, how are you?
I'm doing great. So what are you cooking, Shannon?
So today we're cooking a corned beef.
Corned beef.
So this is, it starts off with a brisket. So
Okay.
it's a big slab of meat that I cut in half. And then I put it in a brine for 5 days.
For 5 days.
So the brine has some coriander seeds, some cloves, some star anise, some bay leaves, a lot of curing salt, and a little bit of sodium nitrate.
Okay, so is that the only recipe that you could use, or you have any other recipe?
That's the only one that I know of. So it's a traditional Irish meal, and today's March 18th, but we couldn't get together yesterday. So this is a traditional Irish meal. So it's corned beef, and then after the corned beef is done cooking, it cooks for about 3 hours. It simmers. Then we do potatoes, carrots, and cabbage after I take that out.
So you're gonna be combining this with the tomato and then the cabbage.
That's right.
So if I get it right, that means we are going to cook everything together, right?
So this is actually done cooking now.
Yes.
So my assistant's going to bring it out and put it into the pan. And then, so you can pull it out.
Just a little bit, the introduction of your sister. So I just want to know the name of your assistant, please.
My name is Matthew.
Oh, Matthew. Okay. All right. So Matthew is gonna have the great inside the bowl.
That's right. Can you get it out, Matt? Oh, and look at how tender that is.
Oh, that's good.
That is tender meat.
Awesome.
So that meat actually sits in the brine for 5 days before we boil it. Cure it.
That's great. We have so many guys here. You can see it. We are ready. Thank you so much.
And then we'll add in our cabbage and potatoes and our carrots. And then this will cook. We'll turn up the heat. I think that's good, Mike, because it's splashing a little bit.
Okay. So why didn't you cook this before the meat?
I don't know, honestly, because the recipe said to cook the meat and then to take the meat out, let it sit, and then you can cook your vegetables and then put it together at the end of the meal.
And so how long are you going to cook this for?
So now these I'll just cook on high. I'll just bring it to a soft boil for about 30 minutes. And then you'll get all like the flavors from the brine and the meat into the vegetables.
Alright, are you going to combine this with another food, or are you just going to cook this alone?
So in the oven right now, I have some bread baking. So we'll just have some bread with this. Bread, meat, vegetables.
Vegetables.
And then of course an Irish drink. So this is a whiskey.
Oh, you have a whiskey on it too.
And a whiskey, yeah. So it's corned beef.
Oh, it's a corned beef.
Yeah.
Alright, so she's done cooking the corned beef. No, she's not done actually. She has it on the stove, and then it's gonna be on the stove for about 30 minutes. But in the process, we're gonna have a little bit of discussion.
Oh my god, lots of recipes.
A lot of recipes. Alright, so we still have it on the process. How many minutes have you spent so far?
So far, just about 5 minutes,
5 minutes.
boiling softly.
We still have a very long way to go.
That's right.
That's right. That's right. Okay. And so this is all that you're gonna do, right? Are you going to mix any other thing, just any recipe? Because you know we Africans sometimes we try to put a magic cube. I don't know if you know what magic cube is.
No.
Other seasons.
Seasonings.
Yes. I don't know if you know.
No, this is it because all of the seasonings are in the pot. So the water that we're boiling the vegetables in, like you can see right there, there's a nice clove which gives it some nice flavor, and the star anise. So already there's lots of seasonings in here. And so after this is then boiled on the plate, there'll just be some nice potato, carrot, cabbage, with a big piece of that brisket or that corned beef, and then some bread, and then that's a traditional Irish meal.
Traditional Irish meal. Okay, so Shannon, can you please let us know seasonings that you use in case somebody wants to just to know how to
All right.
Cook this kind of food?
Yeah, so I'm going by heart. So for the brine, it's 16 cups of water, and then to the brine you add like pickling spice. So you can just go buy pickling spice over at the store, or you can make your own homemade pickling spice.
Okay.
And in homemade pickling spice, there's coriander seed, there's cloves, there's cardamom pods, black peppercorns, and then you put all of that into your brine. You boil. Oh, and salt, of course, salt.
Salt, okay.
Lots of salt. Of course, salt. You boil it, then let your brine come to a cool, and then you put your brisket or your big hunk of what is it? Brisket into the brine. And then once it sits in the brine for 5 to 7 days and you cook it, that's when it becomes corned beef.
So you have to store the brine for about 7 days.
That's right. 5 to 7 days.
5 to 7 days.
Right.
And then it becomes a beef, a corned beef.
And then it's corned beef. That's right. So it changes color. The texture stays the same, but it goes to like kind of a pinky color on the inside.
All right. Thank you so much, Shannon.
You're welcome,
And I think we're gonna be ready when this food just to have a good taste of it. We can't just wait. It's almost ready, and Shannon is.
Shannon, yeah.
Yeah, Shannon is taking out something. She's doing something which I have no idea. Shannon, what are you doing?
Oh, so the carrots are ready a little bit before the potatoes, so I'm just gonna take them out because nobody wants mushy carrots, right?
Oh, okay.
So they're still a little bit firm, but soft enough to eat.
Oh.
So I'll just take these out, and then I'll let the potatoes cook just for another couple of minutes.
Another couple of minutes. That's all right. So how long are you going to make this also cook?
I think it's almost done.
It's almost done. All right. So the food is almost ready. We brought it inside because it was getting cold. All right. But Shannon, I wish I could try to just have a taste of how this.
Sure.
I just can't wait to take an Irish food. That would be my first time trying something like that, you know?
So this is our big piece of meat.
Okay. This is the meat everybody is dying to have a taste. Okay.
And then this is what it looks like.
Ooh, so lovely. All right.
Do you want to try this?
Yeah.
You can try it.
Okay, I can try it.
Yeah, try it. So be warned, it's salty.
It's.
Yeah, it's salty.
Don't worry, I like
corned
salt.
beef is salty.
All right, so I'm gonna have a taste of it. So the food is ready. We are serving the food now. All right.
You want me to hold? I'll wait and take it out.
There.
Oh, nice.
Is that good? Oh, more
Perfect.
cabbage, eh?
Delicious.
So delicious.
There we go.
Perfect.
And then I'll hand it to you, Shel.
Excellent.
Is
Thank
the
you.
tongs there?
Oh,
Right there.
right there. Is that a beef?
This is the beef.
Oh, this is the beef.
Nice.
It's great.
Delish.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dennis, you are the next, right? Oh, you're not.
I think Mike's next.
Mike?
Yes.
Mike, come over.
I won't say no to that. It's delicious.
Yes.
And then I'll let you serve your own meat.
Oh, thank you.
Anyways, guys, do you know that Mike has ever been into my country before? He has been in my country for about 2 years.
2 years.
2 years, right?
Yep.
You said?
Best 2 years of my life.
Why do you say best?
Well, because I didn't have to do anything. I didn't.